Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on operations research. In this session, we will take up another numerical on assignment model. This is type 3 maximization problem. A pharmaceutical company has 4 branches, one each at city A, B, C and D. A branch manager is to be appointed, one at each city, out of 4 candidates P, Q, R and S. The monthly business depends upon the city and the effectiveness of the branch manager in that city. Which manager should be appointed at which city so as to get maximum total monthly business? So you can see here on one end we have the branch managers PQRS, and here we have 4 cities A, B, C, D, and inside is given the monthly business that is being done by each branch manager. The value is in USD or INR millions. We'll start solving. This problem will have one additional step because the problem is of maximization type. We will first convert this problem into minimization type of problem. So I'll write down converting into minimization problem. So how do we convert this into minimization problem? We will first have to figure out amongst all the numbers given which is the maximum value. So if you check, the 17 is the maximum value. You will subtract each number from 17 and place it at its position. So I first make the table. City A, B, C, D, and here we have the branch manager, that is P, Q, R, S. So the first value is 17 minus 11, that is 6. Then we have 17 minus 11, 6. 17 minus 9, 8. And 17 minus 9, 8. 17 minus 13, minus 16, minus 11, minus 10. Same way minus 12, this is 17 minus 17, 17 minus 13 and 17 minus 8. This is also to be calculated. So that's how you get these values. Now what you need to do at this stage is you will go for calculating the minimum value of each row. So here the minimum is 6, here it is 1, here it is 0 and here it is 1. What we are trying to do is we are trying to get a 0 in each row. So now let's subtract. Step 2 is row minimization. So now we'll calculate the value. I will subtract this number 6 from each value over here and substitute for the first row. So it is 0, 0, 2, 2. For the second row, it is 4 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 6 minus 1 and 7 minus 1. And accordingly, I will subtract for each row the corresponding row minimum value. So we have calculated. Now you can check. Each row should have at least 1 0. It is correct. We will also do a small column scanning at this stage. You can see the first 3 columns have at least 1 0, but the fourth column does not have at least 1 0. So I will go for calculation of column minimum. Here these 3 will have minimum value as 0. Here the minimum is 2. So now I'll go for step 3, that is column minimization. So now let's subtract. The first 3 columns will remain the same. Here when you subtract 2 from each number, this is 0, this is 4, this is 7 and this is 2. So now since you have 1 0 at least in each row and column, you can go for first allocation and check if it is possible. So in the first row you have 3 zeros, so you will skip the row. You'll go to the next row, only 1 0, allocate, cancel the corresponding column. Third row has no 0, fourth row has 2 zeros, so I'll have to skip again. Next I'll go for column scanning. First row has 2 zeros, so skip. Go to the third column, it has 1 0, allocate, cancel out the corresponding row. In the fourth one, again you can allocate, cancel out the corresponding row. Now you have allocated all the zeros that was possible. So you got 3 allocations and there are 4 rows. So I'll write out, since number of squares is not equal to the number of rows, therefore optimality is not reached. So we will go for step 4 now. Now what do we do in step 4 is we will first figure out the minimum value amongst all these uncovered values by any particular line. So the minimum value here is 3. I will add this value 3 at these intersection points and I will subtract 3 from all the numbers over which a single line also has not passed, and the values over which one line has passed, they will remain the same. So I'll first draw the table. So let's allocate the values. This is 0, 2 and 0. At the intersection here you will add 3. So this will now become 3. Then here you will have to copy the same values 0, 0, 0, 0 and 2. At this intersection you will add 3. So this will be 5. And from rest of these values you will subtract 3. So this will be 0, this will be 2, this will be 1, this will be 2, 1, 4. So these are the values. Now you will have to do a quick row and column scanning for at least 1 0 in each of them, which is available. So I'll again go for an allocation and I'll see if I get 4 allocations this time. We'll start with the first row, 2 zeros, skip the row. Second row has 2 zeros, skip the row. Go to the third one, only 1 0 is available, so allocate and cancel out the corresponding column. Last I'll go to the fourth row, 2 zeros, so again skip it. Now I'll go to the first column, there are 3 zeros, so skip. Go to the third row, there is only 1 0, so allocate, cancel out the corresponding row. Go to the fourth column, allocate, cancel the corresponding row. Now if you check, there is 1 0 left over here, so just allocate this and you can cancel the corresponding row. So now there are 4 squares and 4 rows. So I'll write down, since number of squares is equal to the number of rows, therefore optimality is reached. And at step 5, I'll form the optimal solution. So we'll have the branch manager, the corresponding city. So you have P, Q, R, S as the 4 branch managers. You can see that the first is allocated to the fourth one. So city is D, Q is allocated to A, R is allocated to B and S is allocated to C. So at these positions you need to check the value of monthly business which is being done. So if you see, this is P at D, so the value will be 9. Then you had Q, A, so this is 13. R is at B, so this is 17. And S is at C, so this is 16. So I'll write here, this is monthly business. This value is 9, 13, 17 and 16. So the total turns out to be 55. So this is the total monthly business in USD or INR in millions. So that is the answer. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood how to solve a maximization type of problem. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.